Hello, welcome to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn in an easy step-by-step way. This is real-life English you can use right away.
Yes, welcome to another ESL lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally.
Today's lesson is about a simple but very important word. You are going to learn how to say no.
Saying no to someone can feel difficult at times, but don't worry. We're going to teach you how to say no properly in different situations.
You'll learn how to say no in a casual, polite, and formal way. Also, about how to avoid a few common mistakes.
Why do we say the word no in different ways? In English, we speak differently when talking with family, friends, or coworkers. Different language is used and required in different situations.
The class is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark. After we speak, the black box signals it's time for you to practice speaking. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying.
Casual no. Casual English is used with family, friends, and people we know well. These are 4 examples of saying no in a casual way. Mark, you going to the gym tonight?
Nope, I'm tired. Or, nah, I'm tired. Paris, do you need a ride home?
No, thanks. We are going out for pizza. You want to come?
No, I'm good thanks. Or, I'll pass, maybe next time. Was that you who sent me a special email?
I don't think so. Now it's your turn to practice a casual no.
Nope, I'm tired. Or, nah, I'm tired.
No, thanks.
No, I'm good thanks. Or, I'll pass, maybe next time.
I don't think so.
Polite no. Polite English is used in everyday situations with classmates, coworkers, or people you meet. Saying no always requires using a kind voice. These are for examples of using a polite no.
Do you want cream in your coffee?
No, thank you. Would you like to go to a movie Saturday?
I'm going to have to say no, but thanks anyway. You want to join us for pizza after class?
Sorry, I'll have to pass this time. Can you help me after work today?
I can't today, but maybe another time. Now it's your turn to practice a polite no.
No, thank you.
I'm going to have to say no, but thanks anyway.
Sorry, I'll have to pass this time.
I can't today, but maybe another time. Formal no. Formal English is used in professional situations or with important people. Saying no in this situation is more respectful with a longer response. These are 4 examples of using a formal no. Could you please sign this paper for me?
I'm sorry, I'm unable to approve these types of requests. Paris, are you available for an online meeting in an hour?
Thank you for asking, but I'm not free at that time. We would like it if you joined our study group.
I appreciate the invitation, but I have to say no for now. Can you please email this report out right now?
Sorry, I'm not comfortable sending a report without reading it first. Now it's your turn to practice a formal no.
I'm sorry, I'm unable to approve these types of requests.
Thank you for asking, but I'm not free at that time.
I appreciate the invitation, but I have to say no for now.
Sorry, I'm not comfortable sending a report without reading it first.
Common mistakes. Always use the right no to match the situation. Let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake 1. Giving a simple response can sound rude. Example: Hi Paris, would you like to join me for coffee?
Nope.
A more polite response would be, Hi Paris, would you like to join me for coffee?
No, I'm not able now. Maybe another time.
Mistake 2. Using casual English to say no in a work situation. These casual responses don't match the situation. Example: Paris, could you please send an email?
No way, I'm too busy right now.
Mistake 3. Saying yes when you want to say no. If you just say no in a respectful way, others will understand.
In this lesson, you learned how to say no in a casual, a polite, and a formal situation. You also learned a few common mistakes to avoid.
Being polite when saying no is important. Also, choose the right words for the right situation.
Well, that's all for this class. Remember to practice this lesson often. Please give a like and subscribe for more upcoming lessons. See you next class. Bye for now.